Well, guys, there's a rumor going around that Saweetie put her paws on a Quavo's baby mama. So if you guys been living under a rock and don't know what happened, Quavo allegedly got his girlfriend, Erica Fontaine, pregnant, and they allegedly had a baby. There's a video circling around on the internet of a baby crying when Quavo was getting on the jet, and then he later on deleted the video. So this video is from October, and then Quavo is saying, okay, just like a dad does when they hear their baby crying. So anyway, this blonde item says this one named rapper, Saweetie, hasn't had a hit in a while, but still is A- list and doesn't usually mention her advanced education. Did so when she got into a fight this weekend with the baby mama of her ex-boyfriend and the lack of education the other woman has, and it says Saweetie/Erica Fontaine. And as you guys can see, this did happen earlier in November. It says November 4th. Now, I don't know what's going on with this situation, because last I heard, I thought Saweetie was out here dating YG, but then I remembered YG and Saweetie had an altercation and the police was called because allegedly they were arguing over a phone, and allegedly the argument was over Saweetie texting someone in her phone, and YG got mad, and I guess she was probably texting Quavo. That's probably why he got mad. But yeah, like I said, they got into an argument. It was loud. The neighbors called the police. When the police arrived, they basically found out that they were arguing over a phone. And like I said, allegedly, Saweetie was over there texting someone else and YG got mad. So I don't know what's going on with that situation. I don't know if Saweetie spanned the block and got back with Quavo while he's... Because I also heard that him and Erica Fontaine are not dating, that she is his baby mama now. So I don't know. It's a lot going on with that situation. But you guys let me know your thoughts and opinions on that down in the comment section below. Well, I did see another blind item that says Latto is losing money while she's on tour. So it says the one named Milk Coffee Drink didn't listen to her management. Now she has a tour that is losing her millions of dollars. Play venues you can sell out, not those you want to be able to sell out. So basically they're saying that she's losing money because she's booking these venues that has a lot of space, and she's obviously not filling that space. I don't know if that's true or not, but moving on to the last and final topic. Now for this next topic, all I can hear is JT coming. So anyways, Lil Uzi Vert posted a picture on Instagram. He says, I gotta give it to BB, and then Ice Spice leaves a heart on it. So somebody gonna say JT gonna F you up. Someone else said JT gonna turn your little behind every way but loose. Now you guys remember what happened at the BET Awards, okay? Now a lot of people feel like JT is coming for Ice Spice. So one person said, all I can hear is JT coming, but to the music that's in Nightmare on Elm Street, she falling off and need a little buzz. So a lot of people are also accusing her of clout chasing. Someone else says she looking for attention. Ever since her muse Cleo left, she lost her stolen identity and needs some attention. Someone else said, why would she leave a heart though? That's a little too much knowing he has a girlfriend. And then this other person said, I'm crying and she's going to turn you every way but loose. I personally don't understand why she had to leave a heart. For one, you know he has a girlfriend. And two, you know JT probably still don't like you from the BET event. But anyways, you guys let me know your thoughts and opinions on these topics down in the comment section below. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.
But it's in my chart, boo. Alright, so I just want to okay, I gotta take this off. Shout out to Daniel's Leather, always giving me the finest luxurious fur coat. Alright, it's an icy girl party tonight. I know that's right. Whew. Oh, my Uncle Sigmund said F for Pisces. Uncle Sig, who hurt your feelings? Hey, Aaron. Hey, Icy Baddies. Whew. Let me touch my makeup real quick. So, it is the release for Rich Tivities. Shout out to my bougie baddies. Shout out to my Icy girls. A lot of y'all were saying that it was like Icy Girl 2.0. Where are these abs coming from? Okay. My abs, honestly, my abs got a mind of their own. Every time I'm by myself, my stomach be looking like... But when I'm in front of people, it be like, I don't know. Anyways. Let me scoot this forward so I can see y'all a little better. Where my lip gloss go? Oh, there we go. Boom. I'm really excited for tonight because I'm dropping, well, I dropped. Wow. That's good. Can't wait till my lip gloss comes out. Who getting a free promo Rolex? Like I said, tonight is a special night because it's Rich Tivities, baby. What is Rich Tivities, baby? First of all, it's about, do you need some? There you go. So look, y'all gonna smell good tonight. Rich Tivities. It's for my boss bitches. Honestly, truly. And it's about hustling. It's about going out, doing what you said you was gonna do. Because a lot of people be like fake bosses. I don't like the fake bosses. Like, I done met a lot. Anyways. But the Rich Tivities is the celebration of it all. Like what you did up until that moment. So whether if it's studying, hustling, doing what you gotta do to make your dreams come true. I know that's right. Matter of fact, I wish I had me a little boom. I know that's right. Well, that would be some good merch. Anyways. But a lot of people just think that Rich Tivities is just like blow money, lavish lifestyle. No. Rich Tivities is like what you do to make your lifestyle work. So, shout out to my boss bitches. Shout out to my hustling boys, my icy girls out there. And I got my tea because it's Rich Tivities. Okay? Should I change my shirt?